Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cookies and cream ice candy. First, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of crushed chocolate sandwich cookies, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also, prepare your ice candy bags and a small funnel. Ensuring everything is ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our creamy base. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of whole milk with 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream. Next, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves. You want a perfectly smooth and uniform liquid before moving to the next exciting step. It's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold in 1 cup of your crushed chocolate sandwich cookies into the creamy mixture. Be careful not to overmix, as you want distinct cookie pieces. Then, using a funnel, carefully pour the delicious mixture into your ice candy bags. Fill each bag about 3/4 full, leaving enough room to tie a secure knot. Almost there, securely tie each ice candy bag with a tight knot to prevent any leaks during freezing. Arrange the filled bags flat in your freezer. This helps them freeze evenly and quickly. Allow them to freeze for at least 4 hours, or until they are completely solid. Once firm, your delightful cookies and cream ice candy is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.